You ready? What's going on, guys? This is Josh with Biggs Harley Davidson in North County, Indiana, right here in San Marcos, California. Today I get to show you a 2018 Road Glide Special. This is going to have the 107 Milwaukee 6-speed transmission, and this model has 4,763 miles to be exact. Just a few cues I've noticed. We have LED lights up in the front. We have highway pegs, Reinhardt slip-ons, which sound great. The video definitely doesn't do it justice. It's set up for a passenger and their comfort. Looks to be about 16-inch bars with Harley Davidson grips. Yes, this meant that they had to redo the cables. I'm talking way too much. If you pan out over this way and over here, you're going to see that we have a lot of bikes. If you have any questions on this one, let us know. Have a good one.